Here's a quick video on how to give new life to your favorite pair of white sneakers. You can see these Chucks have got some dirt on them. They got some wear and tear. I'm going to show you how to clean this up and make it look nice again. You're only going to need a few things. You need a soft brush for your shoe. I got a little towel here to help us when we're finished up. A little bowl of water over here. And the big thing here, this is the Fels-Naptha. It's a stain removing soap. This stuff is legit and it's going to get these things looking fresh again. Here's how we do it. You're going to take the brush, we're going to get it wet. I'm just going to start by wetting the shoe down a little bit, just like that. Then we're going to take this soap and we are really going to dive into it here. Just rub it on there just like that. All around the area we're cleaning. This is going to be the whole shoe, but for the purpose of this video, we'll just do this one side right here. Just like that. Get it everywhere on there. Now we'll set the soap aside. Put this brush on here. Get it wet again. And then I'm just going to start scrubbing. And you'll see it's going to suds up real good. And almost immediately, you can see it getting a whole lot wider. Some of these spots up here that are a little darker, they're already starting to lighten up, but you'll still see them. Might need a little more elbow grease on those things. Let me move this aside before I spill it. All right, you just keep that scrubbing going. Just like that. Focus down here on the sides of them, the soles of them down here. Bring some new life to those. Starting to look good already. You just keep going just like that. Then you're going to take your towel. You want to dampen it up a little bit. You're just going to wipe off all the excess. You'll notice that some spots might need a little bit more. So you get that soap on there. Again, rub it on like that. Take your soft brush and keep on going. And that's how you give new life to your favorite pair of white sneakers. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.